Hello everyone. So we have given 7 ratio 5 equal 34, 6 ratio 4 equal 23, 5 ratio 3 equal 14. So 4 ratio 4 equal what? So did you crack the logic? If you crack it, comment down below. And if you haven't, watch my solution in this video. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution 7 ratio 5. Instead of ratio, if I'll do multiplication, that is 7 times 5 is 35. And to reach at 34, what we have to do? Subtract 1. So 35 minus 1 is 34. So let's apply the same logic to the next step. 6 ratio 4, write 6 times 4 which is 24 and subtract 1 from it. So we get 23. Now 5 times 3 is 15 and 15 minus 1 is 14. So what replace the question mark here? First we have to do the multiplication which gives 16 and 16 minus 1 is 15. So what replace the question mark? 15. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.